Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. These are the materials for our recycled flower mask. We have our scissor, our mask, then cutter, wire, and glue gun, of course the glue. So first is we will cut the mask, the side of it, remove the siding so that we will use the center portion and of course the side. My son Terence is helping me remove the wire in the upper portion of the mask. Sorry for the video, I don't know that it was in portrait position. Okay, so we have used 5 masks. We will be using also the wire that we remove. So after cutting the sides, we will cut into smaller portion the part wherein the wire was removed, that will be used as the center part of the flower. Okay, so I just make the video faster so that it will be shorter. So there you have it. I have cut already almost all the parts of the mask which is being sewed. Then what you're going to do is fold a little the tip of the wire and then roll the cut part of the mask. Terence helped me, and then we're going to put the glue. Okay, so we have prepared. So since the wire was locking, we used the wire with which you have seen a while ago in our materials, the green one, so that we can have more flowers. Then we cut the part which cover our nose and mouth into flowerets. That's it. Then make a hole at the center, and then you're going to insert the wire of the first center part that Terence made a while ago. You can make 2 to 3 flower petals. Okay, so that is 1 flower. Okay, so out of 5 masks, we have made 8 flowers. Okay, so you have it here, and then we use the wire to make it into a stem. That's it, so that we can have the flowers formed in one stem only. Then we use the old glass, plastic glass. We use the what's this, balloon to cover it, make it beautiful, and then we make a small hole to insert the wire used as the stem for our flowers. Okay, so we have made 8 flowers out of 5 masks that we use in making this recycled mask flower. So we do not only help our environment, but we also create a flower that can be used as decorations in our solid waste management program, in order to save our environment from harmful waste, just like this mask. Just make sure that you disinfect your used mask before cutting it and use it in the flower. Thank you very much for watching. This is now our finished output. That's it. See you again next time. Thank you very much.